Hey Fox Sports, it's Chris from TDR Explorer. Today I'm going to show you what's new at Tokyo Disney Resort for the month of August. First up, let's look at what's new at Tokyo Disneyland, and I'm going to take you through the Today Guide, which is a free guide that you can pick up at the turnstiles when you go into the park. So there's one for Disneyland and DisneySea. And the reason for this is because it is very detailed and it's only in Japanese, so I'm going to take you through it to show you what is new. And you can see here this is for August until September 2nd, and that is because the summer events go until September 2nd. And on every one, there is a hidden Mickey. And I love this one, it's so colorful. Got Donald and Daisy on there. If you saw last month's video, you'll recognize all these. So we have the Celebrate Tokyo Disneyland show, which started in July. It's the brand new nighttime show, so I highly recommend watching that. It's in the evenings, of course. And we have the 35th anniversary parade that debuted this year, still going on. And don't worry, this is gonna be around for the next 5 years, so you got some time, And we got more 35th anniversary stuff that's still going on. And of course, we have the Let's Party Gras show that also just started last month in July, still going. And we have the Sansui Summer Beat show. It's the summer show, and you're gonna get completely soaked. And this is running until September 2nd, and it happens a couple times a day, so just make sure you check the times guide. And here, you have this nifty little guide that tells you how wet you are going to get if you watch the show. So the pink indicates incredibly wet. You're going to be soaked. Trust me, I've watched it in these areas. You're going to get soaked. And the orange area, you're going to get some water on you. Open it up and you're going to see all this information inside. See what I mean? It's very useful. Lots of pictures. So the best thing about this is you don't really need to be able to read it, because you can see the pictures, and if you need to know where something is, you can just ask a cast member and they'll be able to help you. So this really does help you plan your day. All right, so up here we have 35th anniversary stuff still. So we have the memory maker. This is still around. You buy it, it's a little pendant, and there's different Mickey statues, and if you go buy it, it's gonna talk. It's in Japanese, everything, really cute. And we have the keychains, the customizable keychains still. You do this at Disneyland over at Monsters Inc. at the store there, and you get to customize this keychain with all these different charms and stuff. Really recommend doing that. And of course, we still have the 35th anniversary merchandise, and we actually had new merchandise that came out. They don't really show it here except for this. And this is just a postcard set here for 1,200 yen. And there's a couple other items, not too sure why they don't have it in here, but there's new items for the 35th anniversary that just came out, along with all the other stuff as well, so that's good. And we have some food here still. I have a video of the 35th anniversary food, so you can go and check that out. And we have more 35th anniversary food here. And of note, the Critter Sundae that has the churro that's over in Critter Country is gone for the summer. It'll be back in the fall, so just keep that in mind. I learned that the hard way. I didn't know that. And over here we still have some more 35th anniversary stuff. We still got this Mickey popcorn bucket, the 35th anniversary, that's really cute. And they don't have it in here, I'm not too sure why they don't, but there's another 35th anniversary popcorn bucket that actually, it collapses on itself. So you can like twist it and it'll turn to a smaller bucket, and has attraction posters from previous attractions. So, and it's only in Toontown, only at Disneyland. So make sure you should go and check that out if you're a popcorn bucket fan. And we have ice cream, chocolate crunch, that's still around. And make sure you go watch my ice cream video. You're gonna see some of these in there. And shaved ice. Shaved ice is still around at the park. Both parks actually, Disneyland and DisneySea, until September 2nd. And I do have a video on this too, going through all the different flavors. They're really good. So make sure you have as much as you can because it is so good. And we have the It's a Small World pizza in Fantasyland, and they've been changing the flavor every few months. So this is the second flavor now, and this is to represent Asia. And you can see there's eggplant on there. I haven't tried that one yet, but it looks good. I'm gonna have to give that one a go. And this is just highlighting some normal food items at various restaurants. So we've got the Mickey glove, the roast chicken. That's at the Huey Dewey Louie, Good Time Cafe, Tomorrowland Terrace. I almost said Terrence. Tomorrowland Terrace. You got the Mickey shaped cheeseburger. And we got the chicken and tomato calzone over at Pan Galactic Pizza Port. This is really good. This is so good. Seriously, just have it. Because sometimes they get rid of it and they bring it back. They like tease us with it, or torture. And we got some more food here. And this is at Plasma Ray's Diner. And we got some noodle bowls here, rice bowls and cold noodles here. And we still have the summer merchandise. The summer merchandise is available until September 2nd. So we still got really cute Chip and Dale stuff. Keep in mind that near the end of the event, stuff will start disappearing because they don't put things back in stock because we're getting near the end of the event. So probably the last week of August, you'll probably see some of the stuff starting to disappear. So make sure you buy it if you see it. And of course, we still got some of the summer food. This is really good. If you watch my summer video, you would have saw me eating this. This is deep fried chicken with apple slices. It is so good, seriously. And we have this really weird corn and mayo pork sandwich that looks like a corn on the cob. It's good, but it's weird. And this is at the Sweetheart Cafe, and the Chip and Dale is at Tomorrowland Terrace. I almost said Terrence again. And we got some stuff to keep you cool. So we got some cooling towels. I really recommend the cooling towels. These ones are a little expensive. You can get them cheaper at Daiso and other dollar stores for much cheaper than this. But of course, they don't come with the cute Disney stuff on it. So I recommend cooling towels. They really work. They're really nice. Keep them wet and it'll keep you nice and cool. And we got some fans and stuff up here. And then we got some fashion. This stuff has been around for a little bit. So it's kind of like 1960s inspired patterns, psychedelic kind of stuff. That's kind of cool. I like that. There's t-shirts and there's a tote bag and some socks, some hats, some sunnies. That's nice. And this is new. So this is Days with Disney, and this is at the home store in Tokyo Disneyland. So we got some Dumbo inspired merchandise, and this is quite classy actually. So there's some travel stuff here. So you got a travel pillow, some slippers, little pillow and everything, little mirror. That is really cute. And we also have this, I guess, like afternoon tea set. They did something similar with Snow White earlier this year. I don't know if the Snow White stuff is still available. I think it is, but you can check at the home store. So we got some plates and mugs and stuff. So that is really cute. I love that. As for closures for the month of August at Tokyo Disneyland, the Haunted Mansion will close on August 20th. Until August 31st, so it'll reopen on September 1st. That is because they're switching it over to the Nightmare Before Christmas overlay. Next up, we're going to look at Tokyo DisneySea, and you can see Captain Jack Sparrow on here for Pirates Summer. I really like this. I like the dark colors with the red and the gold and stuff. That's really clever. I love that. And just like Disneyland, this is going until September 2nd. And there's a hidden Mickey on here somewhere. Just like Tokyo Disneyland, you open it up and there's gonna be a ton of stuff in here, a ton of information. Brilliant. Okay, so we're gonna start with the Pirates merchandise. So stuff is still available, just like the summer merchandise at Disneyland. This is only around until September 2nd, and then it's gonna go away after that. So I have a video showing all this merchandise at both Disneyland and DisneySea. And the pirate stuff is only at DisneySea, and the Natsu Matsuri stuff that I showed earlier with Chip and Dale is only at Tokyo Disneyland. But if you go to Bon Voyage, which is on the way to Tokyo Disneyland, you'll find all the merchandise there, most of it anyway, of the summer merchandise. So let's look at some of the food. We still got the food available. So here at the New York Deli, there's this chicken curry and apple sandwich, and we have the Pirates themed plate over here, and we got some cocktails because yes, DisneySea has alcohol, so that's nice. And got a nice mojito, love that, and a beer cocktail. I prefer the mojito. I'm not much of a beer fan, but we have an apple smoothie over here, and this is at the Nautilus Galley. This is non-alcoholic. And we have the souvenir plates. If you saw my summer food video, you would have saw these plates in more detail. So, and they come with some nice little desserts and everything. Really, really good. And down here, we got the ice cream, 35th anniversary, some 35th anniversary snacks, just like Disneyland. But of note is this brand new Sushi Roll. Yeah, it's at Bayside Terrace. Sorry, Bayside Takeout. They changed the name on us. This is a sushi roll, and it has shrimp and chicken katsu. And chicken katsu is deep fried breaded chicken. That looks really nice. I haven't had that yet. I need to go try that out. And this is just highlighting some different meals at different restaurants. So on the left there, we got Zambini Brothers. And on the right, you got the Yucatan Base Camp Grill. And there's special little cocktails that you can pair with it. And we have the popcorn bucket, the 35th anniversary, and these little cases here, these little candy cases. So that's cool. Candy cases. I said that funny. That's okay though. And there's other food here. Oh, this looks really good. This is noodles, cold noodles. Yum. And we have the shrimp burger. Yes. No, scallop. Not shrimp, scallop burger. And that's at Sebastian's Calypso Kitchen. And we have some new curry at the Arabian Coast restaurant, the Casbah food court. So we got some, I guess they redid some of the curry there, so that's good. There's a vegetable curry, and there's a chicken curry, and there's a combination curry, and there's a beef curry, is what it says here. And just like Disneyland, we have the shaved ice. So make sure you go watch my video for that. And Duffy, we got some Duffy merchandise. Last month, some new Duffy merchandise came out. And later this month, they don't have it in here, I'm not too sure why, but at the end of August, there is a new sleepwear line of Duffy merchandise coming out. It looks really cute. They're in like little pajamas and stuff. It's so adorable. And up here we have the souvenir plate and cup. Come with little desserts, and this is at the Cape Cod Cook-Off. So make sure you check that out. And there's also a new case. You can see up there, new little lunch case souvenir. And just highlighting some of the usual food. Over here, we got some UV umbrellas and some scarves and fans. These are perfect for the summer. And up here, we have, just like at Disneyland, these 60s inspired line of clothing. And there's some new Mickey ears, mini ears, I guess, up here. These look like really thin material. It's kind of hard to show on here, but they're patterned. It looks really cute. 1,600 yen. Yeah, so this is at DisneySea. I'm not sure if they have it at Disneyland. It doesn't say. I'm guessing they probably do, because this doesn't look like it's specific to just DisneySea. So make sure you go check that out too if you want some new ears. And at DisneySea, we still have the customizable 35th anniversary keychains, and the charms that you can put on it at DisneySea is different from Disneyland because they have the major anniversaries. So at DisneySea, you can put on charms from the major anniversaries at DisneySea, so like the 15th anniversary, the 10th, and the 5th. And at Disneyland, they have like the 5th anniversary, 10th, 15th, 20th, etc. So you can get two different ones at either park, and this is in Lost River Delta. One thing to note, there is a new Duffy popcorn bucket. They didn't put it in this for whatever reason, but it's 3,000 yen in Cape Cod and is really cute. It's Duffy in front of it, and he is sitting in front of a suitcase. It's really adorable. So that just came out. So if you want a new popcorn bucket, there you go. And pro tip for you, if you scan this, it'll show you the merchandise that's currently available for Duffy and Friends. We still have the Pirates Summer Show happening at DisneySea, so you can see all that here. And again, this is running until September 2nd. And just like Disneyland, there are areas where you're gonna get very wet. And you can see the red area there, that's where you're gonna get super wet. And the green area, you're gonna get, you're gonna get pretty soaked. And then the yellow, you're gonna get some water on you. But yeah, the red, you're gonna get completely soaked. And there's the photo op areas that is on the road that is between Il Postino and Zambini Brothers in the Mediterranean Harbor. So if you want some good photo ops for Instagram, there you go, just head over there. And we still have the Happiest Celebration on the Sea, little greeting that's still happening. And we have the brand new Hello New York show at the seaside, dockside stage in American Waterfront. So make sure you check the times for when they're all happening. And as for closures, Sinbad's Storybook Voyage reopens on August 20th. And then we have the Magic Lamp Theater that is going to close temporarily on August 30th until September 21st. All right, fellow explorers, thank you so much for joining me today as I showed you what's new here at Tokyo Disney Resort for the month of August. And remember, you can pick up your Today Guide right at the turnstiles when you come into the park. All right, explorers, if you're planning a trip to Tokyo Disney Resort, make sure you check out our 200-page ebook. It tells you everything you need to know to plan the perfect trip. And you can get yours at tdrexplorer.com/ebook. All right, explorers, I'm gonna go get something to eat. I think I need some shaved ice. I need more shaved ice in my life. All right, explorers, until next time.